type fraction 1/2, 1/2 in OR. So for that, you have to watch this video till the end. So here I will show you this simple method that you can try on your own. So after that, you have to type the Ctrl Windows plus O to open up your on-screen keyboard here. So you can go for your laptop or PC keyboard, but I'm showing you the guidelines here, how you can have the fraction. So you have to write the BD. First of all, write the BD here. After writing the BD here, you have to just go for the ATL plus B, ATL plus X here. You have to type the ATL plus X. And after that, here you can see the 1/2 fraction on your board like this. So here I'm showing you again. So you have to first of all type the Ctrl Windows. First of all, you have to press the Ctrl Windows and key together to open up your screen board keyboard. Also, you can navigate to your laptop keyboard or PC keyboard. After that, you have to type the BD, then you have to place the ALT plus X here. Then you will have your fraction. So that's the way how you can have it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.